I'm here at the Villeneuve Ranch with Devin.
Hey guys.
And Joel's over there somewhere,
yeah.
And we're going to check out some of their machines.
So we ended up, we brought this one down. It was kind of always a childhood dream to get into mega truck racing, and there wasn't much for it in BC, and there's a bunch of guys kind of getting into it now, so I thought, why not, right? So I bought it from Bobby Barda down in Michigan, Detroit. We bought it in the spring of this year, and we were planning on running it, but same thing with COVID, we just decided to put it together for next year. But these diffs are all 20-ton diffs. Peterbone outers, it's pretty much just a monster truck with a little smaller tire. They're 63 inches tall. The truck weighed 9,800 pounds. It's all single seater, suicide doors, rear steer.
Up front there, I could see you could see right through the floor.
Yeah, so the motor goes in the back and everything on this one. That's pretty much the only viewing you have is through the front of it.
Yeah, with the head restraints and stuff, you're not going to be able to look around.
No, definitely not. You're pretty much looking through plexiglass and that's it.
Huh. Did you? I guess there was no motor in it when you bought it. So
no,
you haven't even got to
run it or start it yet. So we're hoping in the next few months here we've got the motor all in it. We just pulled it out to build some new motor plates and fit it, and then the next time it goes in the hole, we're hoping in the next month or two we'll be able to flash it, and then it'll sit for the winter. And then next year, as soon as we get it out, we'll be either doing our first event up at Thunder Mountain Raceway, which will be the first time this truck gets run in Canada. Or if we don't have the Thunder Mountain Raceway built yet, we're hoping that we hit one of the races in Alberta, racing Kill with the Axle Busters team. So
Kill, yeah, I don't know much about that rig yet, so
no.
I'm gonna have to Google this.
Yeah, Dustin, you'll see him. He's come to a bunch of the events this year. I've met him. He's a super solid guy, so I can't wait to be running against him. And his truck's pretty serious too. So.
Okay, are you gonna put some big graphics on there?
I don't think so. I'm not a graphic kind of guy. I like plain, simple, black.
The military green looks good too.
Yeah, I definitely was a fan of it. I was watching Bobby Barda built this truck on Instagram for over 5 years, and then I seen it come up for sale, and I just started talking to him, and we just worked out a deal, and it all just kind of fell into place, which I still can't even believe we got it here in Canada. So.
Oh, wow. Somebody likes flat black.
Yeah, I think everything we own is black. Yeah, it's got a rumble seat actually in the back too.
Does it?
Yeah. I rode back here in the summertime. It was hilarious. When we were kids, we used to ride back here all the way to Yakima.
Oh wow!
My dad used to take our whole family in this thing.
That's not much of a seat. It looks like a gas tank.
Yeah, it's not.
That's just for the axle.
That's just the tub. Yeah.
Huh.
That's funny.
Yeah, we grew up in this car. I have pictures of it as a newborn in it when it was just like a farm car. It used to be an old dirt track car.
Oh, okay.
It's got a lot of history, this whole thing.
Yeah.
Burnt off the tires now, too.
It had tires last time you saw it.
It had tires the last time I seen it.
Yeah, very nice. I'm jealous. Oh, tape measure on it. Yeah, I've always had a soft spot for the Unimog axles.
Yeah.
Give you so much more clearance.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So this one's full air suspension, can be raised or lowered.
Yeah. And then this one here actually does all the
Oh,
air
wow.
suspension right there with the joystick. So that's how you run the suspension, is by pulling it over, up, down. It's all from a helicopter. This one's got a 502 ramjet in it, and then this is all the part of the cooling. So it actually runs coolant through all the running boards. So it keeps the running boards all melted so when you get in and out of it, and then it also helps for cooling.
Genius.
Motor. And then it's all independent suspension from Go CMS, when Gebby Wager used to build all the suspension.
And this one's gone to Hollister Hills.
Yeah, all the way, drove on 44s.
Oh, yeah, there's the full independent.
That's awesome.
I didn't know it had the wing on the back.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So you take this up to the drag strip? And
Yeah, we raced this one and street drive it and everything. Yeah, we drive it out for wings and groceries a few times. And yeah. Yeah, it's pretty fun. We've done tons of stuff with it.
Wow.
Yeah. Had it for years, this one.
Full cage.
Yeah, this one's got a 468 on nitrous. Makes about 1,000 horse, I think, with the nitrous and stuff in it.
See the size of the back tires there?
Yeah.
Wow. Not much to those seats, eh?
No.
Some
They're
little aluminum.
surprisingly comfortable for what they are.
Yeah, very cool. I had no idea what to expect when I came out here. I'm just like, I'll go see their truck.
Yeah,
Or
no,
two.
for sure.
Not 12.
I know, you get to see like 12 of them around
Where they
here.
all
There's
live.
3 more up top too.
Oh, wow.
I'll get Joel to run it all through.
Yeah, you can talk to me about it, sure. Pretty nice. Get a little wet in there.
Yeah, we just gave it a good bath.
Oh, wow.
It's got heated rear seats and everything too.
Comfy.
Yeah.
Can't drive it on the street though. It's
No.
just wheeling.
Yeah, snow wheel on this one. This one here too, it's got a big Whipple charge, 600 cube, made like 1,200 horse, this thing, on pump gas.
Holy moly. You wouldn't know that was over there.
No. What it is these air cylinders are all CNC'd out of aluminum, and the frame is all interlinked, built as an air tank.
I was wondering about that. I seen some big diameter tubing there, so
Yeah.
I was like, is that
So that's the air tank that runs all the air suspension, and then these are the valves inside the truck here. So if you climb up there, you can see on the center console there's all the valves for lifting and lowering of the suspension.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. I can see that.
Yeah, and that way there you can put air in the top of the cylinder and the bottom of the cylinder.
Is that for like side hilling?
Yeah, so it works really well for like what we do in the snow for all of our side hilling. So we kind of crab walk and then level the suspension. It kind of just alters the body over so that you can side hill on like a 45-degree angle on snow and continue driving. It's pretty wild to see.
Huh. Yeah, I'm going to have to come out and check that out this
Yeah,
winter.
you're definitely going to have to.
Okay.
So
Very cool.
yeah.
And this was your brainchild?
Yeah.
Yeah. I seen a big motor in there.
Yeah, it's, what is it now? It's a 605 or something? Or 611, I think, is what's in there now. We started with a 632, and it didn't really work out being aluminum with the boost. So we switched it to a cast block, and now it seems to be pretty good.
Not factory body, all
No.
aluminum.
Yeah, it's all aluminum.
It's from Aqualoo Industries. He built the body on it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So everything on it. There's not one factory thing, anything on it. Yeah. Yeah, and then Joel built it ground up. Frame, everything.
Land Cruiser hood?
Yeah, Land Cruiser body
Yeah.
too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just the window frame's been chopped 3.5 inches.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah. She's the fancy one.
And then we got the race truck from Alberta next to it.
Yeah,
You want to walk me through that?
sure. Go over there.
The old axle buster machine.
Yeah, so this one here we bought from Rob Inglis. running this truck all year. We've entered a few events with it, and it's been having a lot of fun. It's definitely a lot different than our snow wheeling style stuff. So I ended up selling my Land Cruiser on Axle Busters, and that's kind of how I got involved with those guys. And then I originally bought this just to do snow wheeling with it because I was kind of tired of bending up fenders and bodies. And then the Axle Busters guys started inviting us down to all the Alberta races, and we started running with them.
Okay.
So,
And it's a little bit more like the Top Truck Challenge,
Yeah.
which you were a part of.
yeah, we were part of the Top Truck Challenge. We went down with Gebby Wager for the Champions Challenge. We just rode down there with them kind of as mechanics and trying to help them run the truck. They had a little endo incident, and then one of the passenger in the truck wasn't able to continue, so I ended up running passenger for a few of the events.
Okay.
It was quite the challenge. The thing was pretty bent up, so we bumper jacked the cage back together and welded up what we could and finished it, but we never placed or anything.
Okay.
Deep freeze, yeah, we had a wicked time at the deep freeze there. Definitely scared myself pretty bad a few times with the drowning
upside
issues.
down, underwater.
Yeah.
Not good.
10 minutes in the buggy and I was upside down in the water by myself up in the back 40 there, so it was a pretty eye-awakener for me.
It was fun watching you there.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, we beat the crap out of it, that's for sure. Put fuel injection in it since, so.
And Joel got a little bit of damage there on his rig at the deep freeze.
Yeah, we definitely got the side smashed in a little bit.
You guys were ramming out there.
Yeah, trying to pass and didn't go so well.
Okay.
And then all the rear foiling bars folded on
All right.
the rear diff. Pretty much come out of the back of it, but other than that, we did all right.
Yeah, I remember up on Turtle Rock, you jumped out to have a look, see what was going on, and
Yeah, we figured we'd just keep running it, and the drive shaft was really the only thing keeping the diff from rolling. And then we went till the drive shaft rubbed through the cross member, and that's where we stopped.
oh, okay. Joel's new buggy. I like the diesel tires there, the truck tires.
wheels.
Bet you'll smoke those off.
Yeah, it'd be funny on the road.
And you got your new wheels here?
Yeah, those are the new wheels. We have. No, those are the. I don't know what I'm gonna run yet. I have a couple sets, but.
Okay. And these are the tires for it, or?
No, the one.
Oh, they're Mickey Thompson's.
Yeah, we have a 58. So we're gonna roll one over.
Holy moly! Wow. What do you think, Hal? There's a tire.
Big tire.
I don't know where she'll put it.
You're moving that around like it's nothing. I know that's like,
It's 416
I was
pounds.
going to say 500 pounds, but yeah, 416. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know where we're really gonna put it. We'll just put it over here. It's too big.
It is.
Yeah, this looks cool even talking in front of
It
it.
makes rocks small.
Looks cool just even talking about it in front
Yeah,
of it.
for sure.
So we got twin turbo coming up for this beast.
Yeah, so we did a twin turbo 632. We're gonna give it a try and hope for the best that it all stays together. And then we got the new 58-inch tires. We haven't decided if we're gonna run those or the tractor tires for racing yet. Haven't really made up our mind, but be one of the two.
So you should be able to switch between them too, depending on the course.
I think we'll bring take both sets down, and if it's really wet, we'll run the tractor tires and just kind of judge it by that.
Okay. Yeah, those are nice V-treads. They're pretty close in diameter too.
Yeah, they're both the exact same in diameter.
So you're not going to have
Pretty
to worry about the gearing. And
No, it'll all be set up for both the same. Then the truck's set up for a standard or automatic. So we'll be running both, depends which we're doing, I guess.
Oh, that gets a little complicated if you're
Yeah.
switching transmissions. So what have we got that's going on here? We've got,
So we got Meritor.
oh, there I see one of the
yeah,
turbos.
there's the turbos, and we got Meritor axles. And yeah, full tube chassis.
Built and designed by you?
Yeah,
You
we
guys
started
got-
it about probably 2 years ago. And then, yeah, my one buddy with Jeckelfab Automotive, he's been a big supporter and a lot of help on it.
We want to see you down at Havoc, so you're going to have to hit a qualifier.
We're already qualified from our last race in the Land Cruiser,
The deep freeze.
the deep
yes.
freeze race, yeah. So we're still qualified and they held our spots till we're allowed to cross the border.
Oh, that's cool of them.
So at least, yeah, that's actually why I'm building this truck is we went there and kind of be a little bit of a game changer for us after our trucks didn't really hold together. So figured we better up our game.
The Mountain Man.
That's
And-
actually where, that's where the 4-link bars started. And once they started, the top loader diff just kept rolling it out.
And then you had a good incident there with your almost rollover, the
Yeah.
wheel stand.
Yeah, over backwards I was going, and then Mandy saved the day and pushed me back over, I think.
Maddie, yeah.
Yeah.
You were leaning up against Maddie's, right?
Yeah, she moved forward, and I think it pushed us back on its wheels, and we were able to keep going. And then we ended up flipping it again in one of the mud holes in the back there, and I was holding up the course, and then Joel came around the corner, and I got him to winch me back over onto its wheels. I held off, and we're planning next year to do some major Havoc style racing up at Thunder Mountain Raceway at their drag strip up there.